Question number 37. A voltmeter is connected into a circuit with the polarity shown. Okay, polarity is shown over here. This becomes positive, this end becomes negative. Okay. The sliding contact is moved to the end P. Now what happens is this has been connected here. Okay. And then to Q. Now after that it's been connected to here. It's been connected to here like this over here. What are the two readings of the voltmeter? When you connect it here, what's the reading? When you connect it there, what's the reading? That's the question. So when you connect at P, how does the circuit look like? So circuit will look like this over here. This will be your 3 volt. This will be your Q. This will be your P. This will be your P. And this will be your voltmeter. This will be your voltmeter. And this is how it looks like over here. This is how it looks like over here. Now, if that is the case, so this is your connectivity over here. Now, what will be the voltage at this point? Voltage at this point will be 0. See, this negative terminal, there is no resistance in between. Here it will be 0. So, this whole thing, so is now appears to be in the secondary circuit. Okay, or the circuit now becomes something like this. It is like this. It is like this. And this one is like this over here. It is like this over here. So, therefore, the voltage here recorded by this one is 3 volt. Okay, what is recorded over here is 3 volt. And now let us look at in the second case. In the second case, what happens is the slider is moved over here. Slider is moved over here. So this is the point. At this point, what is the voltage? 3 volt over here. Okay, and then this is now given to the circuit. Current will not flow through this one because easier path will take. So this will be your voltage, and this will be your battery, and thus you will have something like this over here. You will have something like this over here. So if this is 3 volt and there's one more 3 volt here, see how is this voltage given here? So it is being given like this over here. So this is positive over here, this is negative over here. Negative, positive. See, this positive, negative, then again positive, negative. Okay. So what happens over here? So positive, negative, and this positive and negative. Okay. Now all these are connected in parallel to the voltmeter. The circuit looks like this over here. Circuit looks like this over here. So this is 3 volt, this is 3 volt. So what's the total voltage? 6 volt. So therefore, in the first configuration, the voltmeter will record 3 volt. The second configuration, it will record 6 volt. So this should be your answer. 3 volt and 6 volt. At P, it is 3 volt. At Q, it is 6 volt. The answer should be D volt.